Okay, for install Laravel, I install PHP and MySQL and install Composer. Continue installation and see Composer and create project. I use this for install Laravel and copy this line. Composer create project, visit Laravel, and open terminal in desktop or other folder. I open terminal and paste this line. Composer create project, visit Laravel, and name type Udemy Laravel. Okay, press enter and wait to installation. Okay, running installation and install and download version 8 and install version 8 on my system. Installation and create folder and open this. See many folder and many file. In this course we review all this. Okay, installation. In this course I use PHP Storm editor and you can use VS Code and other editor. Okay, installation finished and this file and folder open with PHP Storm. Right click and open folder as PHP Storm. Okay, PHP Storm is running and open with VS Code. Okay, you can download our VS Code of codevisualstudio.com and PHP Storm of .brain.com PHP Storm and install this. After install you can see this. Okay, if you use our VS Code, see this, and if use of PHP Storm, you can see this. Okay, I use PHP Storm and open file and settings, and if you use this term you can go to editor and open appearance and you can use material term, or if if not installed on PHP Storm, you can install all plugin or of search plugin. Okay, and open plugin and search material theme UI. Okay, install this for change design. Okay, first step, I open terminal. We can open terminal of PHP Storm terminal, and we can open our project. Right click, open terminal. Open CMD in Udemy Laravel. I write PHP artisan serve for one step. Okay, starting Laravel development server on this link. Close this. We can type here PHP artisan serve. Okay, I open this and type this URL. Okay, this is first step Laravel, and we can see this Laravel. Okay, for check version Laravel, open new terminal, PHP artisan --v version. Okay, Laravel framework version 8.14, and for change resource view welcome, and we can change this line, Laravel, close this, close. Okay, okay, home login and store. For change Laravel, Udemy Laravel, and refresh Udemy Laravel.